Welcome to the future where creating stunning images doesn't require a fine arts degree but a clever AI tool. Today we're diving into Google's newest AI wonder, ImageFX. Now you might be wondering, what's ImageFX? Well, it's Google's latest foray into the world of AI image generation. You won't find it on your usual Google search though. This gem is tucked away in Google's AI Test Kitchen, an experimental playground where Google's AI projects simmer and sizzle while they're still in the testing phase. Despite being in its early beta stage, ImageFX is dishing out some seriously impressive results. It's all about accuracy and photorealism, and this AI tool delivers on both fronts. But before you rush to take it for a spin, know this. ImageFX isn't open to everyone just yet. It's currently only available in the US, Kenya, New Zealand, and Australia, and it only speaks English. This selective rollout showcases Google's methodical approach and their need for a controlled environment to gather user feedback and fine-tune the system. But what if you're not in these regions? Well, there are ways around it, like using a VPN or proxy. But remember, you do this at your own risk. So what's the secret sauce behind ImageFX? It's powered by Imagen 2, an AI model whipped up in Google's prestigious AI lab, DeepMind. Imagen 2 is the maestro of visualizing textual prompts, capable of producing a range of images and styles. Google claims that Imagen 2 raises the bar for image quality in its generation of AI models. ImageFX is but one dish in Google's AI smorgasbord. It's part of a larger strategy to explore the many flavors of generative artificial intelligence. It shares the table with other specialized tools like MusicFX for music creation and TextFX for stylized text generation. So that's the newcomer, ImageFX, with its impressive features and capabilities. But how does it fare against its rivals? In the world of AI image generators, there are a few top dogs. Let's compare ImageFX to its popular rivals, DALL-E 3 and Midjourney. To kick off, let's talk about cost. One of the key advantages ImageFX holds is its cost-free access in the early beta phase. This is a stark contrast to DALL-E 3's integration with ChatGPT, which comes at a monthly rate of $20, and Midjourney's annual subscription that hovers around $100. But cost isn't everything. The crux of the comparison lies in the features and output quality of these tools. ImageFX stands out in its ability to produce hyper-realistic images, outshining DALL-E 3's somewhat cartoonish renditions and Midjourney's focus on appealing aesthetics. And don't be fooled by the price tag. Free doesn't mean inferior. ImageFX brings to the table unique features like seed control, which gives users the power to fine-tune their creative process by adjusting the initial noise configuration. This level of control is unmatched by DALL-E 3 or Midjourney, allowing users to make subtle adjustments while preserving the core elements of the image. Moreover, ImageFX has another ace up its sleeve. It can highlight key prompt words and suggest creative alternatives. This feature is a game changer, setting ImageFX apart from DALL-E 3 and Midjourney, which do not offer this functionality. But as with any tool, ImageFX is not without its limitations. The tool exclusively generates square images, while DALL-E 3 and Midjourney offer flexibility in aspect ratios. This might seem trivial, but it can make a significant difference for those needing images in various shapes and sizes. Also, unlike Midjourney, ImageFX does not support image editing features like in-paint and out-paint, which can limit its versatility. For those who crave more control over their final image, this could be a deal-breaker. Lastly, let's talk about user-friendliness. DALL-E 3 has a conversational feature that allows beginners to instruct the model in natural language. In contrast, ImageFX uses a keyword-based prompt system, which might be more challenging for those not familiar with the technical jargon. So, what's the verdict? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're after hyper-realistic images and unique features like seed control and prompt suggestions, ImageFX might be the tool for you. But if you need more flexibility in aspect ratios, image editing features, or a more conversational user interface, DALL-E 3 or Midjourney might be a better fit. While ImageFX does have its advantages, it's not without its limitations. Let's delve into what sets these tools apart. Every tool has its strengths and weaknesses, and ImageFX is no exception. Let's unpack what it offers and where it falls short. One of the major strengths of ImageFX is its ability to produce hyper-realistic images. It's a leap forward in terms of quality, leaving behind the somewhat cartoonish images generated by DALL-E 3 and the aesthetically appealing but less realistic visuals of Midjourney. This is a game changer for graphic designers, artists, and those who need high-quality images for their work or hobbies. Another strength of ImageFX is its unique seed control feature. This allows users to tweak the initial noise configuration, giving them more control over the creative process and the final image. The ability to make subtle adjustments while maintaining the core elements of the image is a feature that sets ImageFX apart from its competitors. Furthermore, ImageFX's prompt suggestion feature is a boon for those looking for creative inspiration. It can highlight keywords and suggest alternatives, a feature that neither DALL-E 3 nor Midjourney currently offer. But there's no such thing as a perfect tool, and ImageFX does have its limitations. The most prominent is its square image restriction. Unlike DALL-E 3 and Midjourney, which provide flexibility in aspect ratios, ImageFX only generates square images. This could be a drawback for those needing images in different shapes and sizes for their projects. Another limitation is its lack of image editing features. Unlike Midjourney, which supports in-paint and out-paint features, ImageFX doesn't offer such versatility. This means users may have to use other tools or software to edit their images, potentially adding to their workload. Finally, while DALL-E 3 offers a conversational feature that allows beginners to instruct the model in natural language, ImageFX relies on a keyword-based approach. This could make it less intuitive for those new to the world of AI image generation. Despite its limitations, ImageFX's unique features and cost-effectiveness make it a strong contender in the AI image generator space. With the backing of Google's AI powerhouse, it's set to make a significant impact in the industry. With ImageFX still being in its beta phase, the future looks promising. Let's speculate on what could be next. Based on its current features and limitations, we can anticipate several enhancements. For starters, Google might extend ImageFX's capacity to generate images in different aspect ratios, not just squares, to cater to a wider range of creative needs. The addition of image editing features such as in-paint and out-paint would also increase its versatility, giving users more control over their creations. Moreover, Google may explore the integration of conversational features for a more user-friendly experience, allowing even beginners to instruct the model in natural language. The impact of user feedback and system definitions will be pivotal in shaping these developments, ensuring that ImageFX continues to evolve in response to the needs of its users. So, there we have it. ImageFX, a new player in the AI image generator arena with a lot of potentials. Only time will tell how it evolves and reshapes the landscape of digital art creation. In this part of our video, we'll take a closer look at the practical side of ImageFX. We'll walk you through the experiences of a few users who have dabbled with this technology, from digital artists finding new ways to bring their ideas to life, to content creators leveraging it for unique thumbnail designs. ImageFX has impacted a range of individuals. We'll also discuss some common challenges faced by users, such as understanding the model's responses and navigating its constraints. This will give you a real-world perspective on what it's like to use ImageFX. So let's dive in and learn more about the user experiences with this innovative AI image generator.